The orange blinking light on an espresso machine, which turns white, indicates that the device is not functioning properly due to various issues. Common causes of this alert include the need for descaling, an empty water tank, or overheating. To resolve this issue, start by descaling the unit. Eject used capsules, empty the water tank, and prepare the descaling solution according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place a container under the spout, turn on the espresso machine, and activate the descaling mode by long pressing the button for 7 seconds. When the light begins blinking, turn the lever to the locked position and press the button again. Once the process is complete, rinse the water tank, cup support, and drip tray. Then refill the water tank and press the button to rinse the machine, allowing it to dry. Additionally, check the water tank to ensure it is not empty, as this can also trigger the alert. If the tank is empty, remove it, refill it with fresh water, and place it back in its compartment, ensuring it is properly positioned. If the machine has overheated, turn it off, unplug it from the power source, and open the machine head to let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. Then, close the head, turn the machine back on, and check if the alert has disappeared. By following these steps, the orange blinking light should be resolved, and the espresso machine should return to normal functioning.